Good morning, Pp1. How are you? I missed you so much. Today we're going to make a revision for what we took in the third quarter, so you can deal with your projects with administration. Okay, let's start. Of course, you have your sheet. It's uploaded in the website of the school. Let's go to the sheet and solve it together. This is the first page. Here, algebra. We're going to start with algebra. You have a question like this: 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 4. How to solve this one? First, I'm going to think. Do I have a common? Yes, I have a common. Common means it's repeated in the two terms. Look here with me. This is the first term and this is the second term. Do you see something repeated? Yes, you have. You have 2 to the power of 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 to the power of 4 as a common. And what remains? If you took a common, the remains is 1. Any number is times 1. So the remains is 1 here and 1 here, okay? So 2 to the power of 4, 1 plus 1, finish the bracket first. Do you remember? Finish the bracket first. 1 plus 1 is 2. What the meaning of bracket? We said before that the bracket is times. Okay, very good. So 2 to the power of 4 times 2. So it's meaning 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 1. Of course, no power means 1. No power means 1. So it's 2 to the power of 4 plus 1, 2 to the power of 5. So your answer will be B. You have another question. It's just like it. 3 to the power of 10 plus 3 to the power of 10 plus 3 to the power of 10. What are we going to do? Like what we did here. I have a common. 3 to the power of 10 is a common. So I'm going to take 3 to the power of 10. What remains? 1 and 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it's 3. 3 to the power of what? No power means 1. What I'm going to do with powers? I'm going to make plus. Very good. Then we have here this, you remember, I want to put this number in what? Tell me. In the standard form. How to put it in the scientific standard form? How to do it? I will suppose that my point here, okay, and I'm going to jump till the first digit, till I have only one digit here. Remember? Yalla, let's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Here, so it's 3 times x to the power of, the power of what? Here, I'm going to the left, so my power is positive. I'm going to the left, so my power is positive. So my x is 5. Very good. Let's do this one. Here I have a point. Here I didn't have, so I put it at the end, okay? Here I have a point. What I'm going to do, I'm starting with this point, and I'm going a jump. After you jump, you must put it between 2 digits. 2 digits. 2. So it's 2.7. How much? It's 7. But I went to the right. And here I went to the left. Okay? Okay. Again, I went here to the right and I went here to the left. Okay? Very good. So, if I went to the right, so my it will be negative. My power is negative. Okay. He is telling you here quarter. Quarter of 2 to the power of 20. Quarter means divide by 4 or quarter times the number. Again, quarter means what? I will divide this number by 4. I will make 4 to the power of 20 over 4. Or quarter times this number. It's the same, okay? It will lead you to the same. So it will be 4 to the power of 20 over 4 to the power of, no power means 1. Very good. So it's equal what? 4 to the power of 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 is 19, okay? At the same, I have here another one. Fifth, what's the meaning of fifth? 1 over 5. 1 over 5 of 5 to the power of 20. Or I'm going to take 5 to the power of 20 divide 5. What I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract the power with 1 because here no power means 1. 20 minus 1 is 19. That's it. Let's see this one بقى. We have here negative 3 over 5 all power 3. I have here odd power. What the odd make for the negative sign here? The odd, let the negative sign get out. Okay? So it's get out here. This is the negative. So I'm going to get the power to the numerator and to the denominator. So it will be 3 to the power of 3 over 5 to the power of 3. Very good. So still I have the negative here. Okay? 3 to the power of 3 is what? 27. 5 to the power of 3, 125. Very good. Here I have what? My power is even. What's going to do with the negative? It will cancel it. Okay? It will cancel it. So there is negative. There is no negative anymore. And the power 2 will go to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 5 to the power of 2, 25. So my answer is A. Okay? Very good. Let's see here. This order of operation. Do you remember the order of operation? What we said? I finish what? The brackets first. Then بعد كده what? Power. Then what after power? Multiply or division. Then what after? Addition or subtraction. You remember the order of operation? This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3, and this is number 4. Remember it? Okay, very good. Let's see here. I have a bracket, so I must finish the bracket first. 3 plus 1 is 4. So I have 5 plus, put the other things like it is. So 5 plus, write it 5 plus. 4 to the power of 2. Then finish what? Finish the bracket or the power. I have here 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So 5 plus 16 is 21. Okay, very good. You can solve this by yourself. It's just the same. Here, let's see this one. I have here negative 3a b power 2 times 2a power 2 b power 3. Here I have two monomials and I'm going to make them multiplication. How to do it? I'm going to take what? Take the numbers first. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Very good. Then a to the power nothing. Nothing means 1. Okay. So it's 1 plus, because here times. So what I'm going to do with the powers? Plus. يبقى 1 plus 2 is 3. And here 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, very good. Here what I'm going to do here, because I have times, I can take the power as outside a bracket. Because I have times, I can take the power outside the bracket. And I make them times. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. 6 to the power of 4, you can solve it. Okay, again, take care, this is times. Anything else except times, we can do it. We can do times or divide only. Okay? We can take the power outside a bracket if I have times, or divide only. Or divide. Times or divide. Plus or minus? No, you can't. You must solve each one. Okay? Okay. The standard form, we solved the standard form before. You can use. You can solve it by yourself. Here, what we are going to do with the powers? This means times. This means times. So what I'm going to do the powers? I'm making plus. Okay. Here, power inside, power outside. What I'm going to do with the powers? I'm going to do times. Here, power negative. What the power negative do? Power negative, will flip the number. Will flip the number. Let's flip the number. So it will be 1 over 3 to the power of 2. What is the negative? The negative flip here the number. خلاص, finish. Okay? So it's 1 over 3 to the power of 2, which is 1 over 9. Oh, this also for the standard form. You can do it by yourself. We did it. Here, 2 over 3 all power 2. Of course, you can do it. 2 will go inside for numerator and denominator. Here, don't forget, I have square root. And down the square, I have power 2. What will happen here? 2 divide 2. It will divide by 2. The square root, I will take it and put instead of it, divide 2. يبقى divide 2 here for the square root. Okay? Very good. Here, y to the power of 8, what I'm going to do? We said that we are going to take the square root and put what? Divide 2. Remember? Very good. Okay. Here, what I'm going to do here? It's order operation. I'm going to do first the multiplication from left. Do you remember? I'm going from left to the right. I'm going to do multiplication, then division. Okay, multiplication will be 12, division will be 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. This we took it before in the up. Okay, let's solve this one. Find the value of the following. I have here what? Same base. I have here 5, 5, 5. So I have same base. What I'm going to do with the powers? If the powers up with times, so I may make them plus. If my power is down, so I make it with minus. So negative 2 plus 5, which is up here in the numerator, minus the power of the denominator, which is 3. Okay? So it's 5 to the power of 0 equals 1. Number 2 is just the same. You can do it as the number before. Okay? Let's solve this one. 9 plus 4 times 3 to the power of 2 equals. Do you remember the order of operation? Finish the brackets. Do I have brackets? No. Then finish the power. Do I have power? Yes, I have 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. Very good. Then make multiplication or division. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes, I have multiplication. So take the two numbers of multiplication and do them first. 4 times 9 is 36. Very good. Then make the addition last. Okay? Very nice. Here, what I'm going to do, 2 times 6. 2 times 6, it's what? 12. 4 divided 2 is 2. So, it's 12 minus 2 is 10. Very nice. Here, I have two monomials divide. Two monomials divide. How can I do it? First, divide the number, the constant. 6 divided 2 is 3. Very good. Then, what I'm going to do with the power? For dividing, I will make the power minus. Here, no power means 1. No power means 1. 1 minus 2. And x to the power of 4 minus 3. Very good. What's the power of negative 2? Leave it like this? No. The negative power, get it down. Get it down. The negative power, get it down. The negative power, get it down. Very good. Excellent. Here, I have here all of this. Power 0 means it's equal 1. Anything power 0 equals 1. Okay? Of course, I write the 1 here to you to remember. But don't write the 1 here down. Okay? So, a to the power negative 2. Negative 2 will change the place. Its place here is down. So, it will going where? It will going up. Okay? So, it's a to the power of 2 over the 1 خلاص, don't write it. Over b. Okay? Very good. Here I have a square root of this expression. How to do it? First, get the square root of the numbers. So square root of 25 over 36. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36 is 6. Very good. What I'm going to do with the symbols? I said that we are going to take the square root and put instead of it divide of 2. Divide of 2. So x power 2 divide 2. And y power 2 divide 2. So it's equal what? 5 over 6 times y. Very good. Sorry, 5 over 6 xy. xy. Okay, x power 1 and y power 1. Of course, don't try the power. Okay, this is just the same. Try to solve it by yourself as homework. Okay, very good. Here, he won the numerical value. Do you remember what the meaning of numerical value? I'm going to take the x out and put instead of it negative 1 over 2 here. Because x power 3, so negative 1 over 2 power 3. And y, 3 over 4. Power what? Power 2. And solve it. And solve it. How to solve it? I have odd power. Odd power. What we're going to do with the negative, the odd power? The odd power will do what? will get the negative outside, okay? And 3 to the power of 1 to the power of 3 is 1, and 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. So I still have the negative, and I still have the negative here too, okay? Very good. Here 3 over 4, or to the power of 2, so 3 to the power of 2, 4 to the power of 2. Then make multiplication as usual. The last step you can do it with your calculator, okay? The last step you can do it with calculator. Here in this, we're going to do the same steps, but here you won't divide. Divide, what are we going to do? We're going to finish, then we have the fraction. Then what are we going to do with the divide? And make it times, and flip this fraction. What is the fraction will be? 9 over 16 will be what? 16 over 9. Then simplify. And of course I told you, for the last step, simplify by calculator. Okay? Simplify by calculator. Here, let's solve this one. Negative 3 over 7, and here's 3 over 7. What you see here? I see what? Approximately same base, but I have here negative, miss. Yes, but the odd will do what for the negative? We'll get it down, out. We'll get it out. صح? Okay, so make it out. So 3 over 7 all power 7, and 3 over 7 all power 5. What are we going to do with the power? Minus. We're going to subtract the power, because I have same base. Subtracting the power. Okay? Very good. So the negative, don't forget the negative. The negative is outside. The negative is outside. Okay? So it will not get power 2. Power 2 is only for what? Inside the bracket. Okay? So negative outside. And the 3 to the power of 2, 7 to the power of 2. Here, the negative still outside. Okay? Negative 9 over 49. Very good. Here it's just the same. You can solve it by yourself. Okay, we finish the algebra, this part. Okay, see you next session, inshallah, in the geometry. Try to solve each problem by your hands, and if you have any problem, you can contact me on the WhatsApp or Edmodo. Okay, see you later.